Ever wondered which business intelligence tool truly delivers the edge in 2025? Qlik or Power BI? If you're trying to make the best choice for your data-driven strategy this year, you're in the right place. Both Qlik Sense and Microsoft Power BI have become major players in the analytics world, but they shine in very different ways. Power BI instantly feels familiar if you've ever touched Excel, Teams, or any Microsoft product. Its interface is intuitive, clean, and welcoming even for beginners. Qlik Sense, on the other hand, leans into a more flexible drag and drop design, giving users a dynamic, highly interactive environment for building visuals and exploring data. When it comes to connectivity and analytics power, both platforms pack a punch. Power BI integrates effortlessly across the entire Microsoft ecosystem: Azure, Office 365, SQL Server, you name it. It also supports a massive range of external data sources. Qlik Sense matches that versatility but differentiates itself with its associative data model. Instead of forcing users down a preset query path, it allows you to navigate data in any direction, helping you uncover relationships and insights you might have missed with traditional models. AI is where things get even more interesting. Power BI benefits from Microsoft's investment in Azure AI, bringing smart suggestions, automated insights, and predictive capabilities right into your dashboards. Qlik Sense counters with its own cognitive engine, designed to surface insights proactively and help users explore data faster with AI-guided analysis. Of course, pricing is a deciding factor for many teams. Power BI continues to be one of the most cost-effective BI tools on the market, with a free version and subscription plans that fit comfortably within most budgets. Qlik Sense tends to sit at a higher price point, reflecting its enterprise-grade features and advanced exploration capabilities. So, which one is better in 2025? Power BI is your go-to if affordability, ease of use, and seamless Microsoft integration are top priorities. Qlik Sense is a stronger choice if your organization needs deep, flexible data exploration and is willing to invest a bit more for advanced modeling power. Whichever path you choose, let me know in the comments which platform you're leaning toward. And if this breakdown helped you make a decision, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.